Hey everyone, what we're looking here is the GRUB daily chart. It's got a nice cup and handle pattern here with a follow-on flat or consolidation period, and I think we can see a bullish move higher. So here we have the cup forming, and here's the handle with the pullback handle to the 10-day line. And then on this day here with this large candle, we are at a slightly above average volume. We have a breakout of the handle, and right here we are consolidating. It looks to me like we're doing a quick J hook and possibly break out of this high here. And if we do break out of this high, I see we can get into the 50.82 area. So this is something to watch. The breakout or the buy point would be around 44.40, and the stop here would be around 41.16. I wanted to point out a neat feature of TradingView that you can map out your risk reward by using this little icon here on the left. You can click on it and specify your buy point here. Specify your stop and specify your price target, and using this information they would calculate your risk and reward. In this case you're risking approximately 7% and looking for a gain of about approximately 15%. So not bad risk or reward. Ideally you want to risk at most 8% in any one trade. So this is a really handy tool to kind of see if it makes sense to get into the trade based on your entry point and your stops. I also wanted to show you again, here we have the left shoulder of an inverse head and shoulder. I want to show you a measured move calculation again. Here you go. You have the head of the inverse head and shoulder, and you have the right shoulder of a head and shoulder. In this case the neckline is pretty flat, so your breakout candle would be here, and to calculate the measured move we would take from this neckline and go to the the low of the head. I'm going to go ahead and clone that and move that up here, and then we're going to go ahead and cross over to it, and voila, there you go. The inverse head and shoulder measured move is to this point. Now does that mean that this thing is done and it should be going back down? Actually not really. It just means that for this particular move, the inverse head and shoulder, the price target has been reached, but for the cup and handle, we can expect approximately say 35% move. So oops, let me try and measure that here with the TradingView. Okay, oops, keep on messing up here. Alright, so we'll start here and we'll go try to go 35 cents. So it's well above here. We can get way above 50, but I'm playing it conservative. I'm going to put a 15% move. This is a pretty good growth stock in the sense that it's growing its business. EPS is positive. They've had 3 quarters of surprise earnings, and the numbers are accelerating. So it does look like a good stock fundamentally, and technically it's set up really nice for a higher move. So that's it for the GRUB chart.